Everyone has a degree, but the ones who lead, they have something more. That's not luck, that's training. Training from Ganpat University, Patel Institute of Management, an AICTE-approved institution that offers full-time MBA with specialization in marketing, finance, HRM, international business, entrepreneurship, supply chain management, where over 25 years of academic excellence and value-based learning ecosystem have shaped one belief.
My voice was shaking, but MBA program of VMPIM had prepared me more than I realized. Halfway through my first presentation, I just found myself.
The best managers aren't just educated, they're built. Our NEP-aligned MBA combines a skill-integrated curriculum with expert faculty guidance and mentorship, opens its doors to graduates from any discipline. Learning from live projects, business simulations, real internships, case study analysis, management games, role plays, an industry demand curriculum that emphasizes hands-on demonstrative skills in data-driven analytical tools, the same software and industry already demands.
We argued for 2 hours over that case study dilemma. No textbook had the answers. That's MBA at VMPIM for you. They don't give you answers. They build the mind that finds them.
Beyond skills, we build the whole professional. Personality grooming, communication, student clubs, industry talks and guest panels, mock interviews, GDs, and written test prep, so your first step into industry is a confident one. Personalized placement efforts, 90% plus placement record year on year, 100% internship opportunities. First career launch.
I called my mom first. She cried, I cried. Every mock interview my institute put me through, it all led to this one moment.
Our global collaborations, thriving alumni network, international conferences, industry visits, student international immersion. Learning here never stays theoretical. Beyond academics, we cultivate wellness, an energetic campus life, and a spirit of sports and culture. So the question isn't whether you have a degree. The question is, what kind of leader do you want to become? GUNI, Patel Institute of Management. Build more than a career. Build your character.